life is lived in the present. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow is yet to be, today is the miracle. Have fun and enjoy your night. Thank you, everybody.
It's a great privilege for me to come up to Horsham and stall an Ararat to look after country patients in the region at a time of need. So to me, that's actually a privilege. So I really, it's patients like Jenny that inspire me to do my research, which happens to be an honorary position and a role for me. And it's a passion that I've had for many years to undertake cancer research. So this event tonight really helps to help us to further develop our cancer research program in Ballarat, which is where I'm based. I don't think that the story, we won't have to go over the history of how that was set up, but just to point out to you that the Ballarat Cancer Research Centre is a state-of-the-art cancer research facility that was set up in a rural or regional area, not with government support and not with any other support apart from the community support. So it's actually a centre that was more or less initially made out of passion and love, and then community support and an increasing amount of fundraising from various ventures like this. Now we have 8 scientists, a staff of 8 in the centre, and we have senior scientists and we have a PhD student who we've actually taken on from the University of Ballarat. So it is a fairly big undertaking. I tried to make some time aside from my busy clinical practice to look after the Cancer Research Unit. The facility is important for 2 reasons. One is it attracts people like me to work in country areas, and we have the state-of-the-art facility and the infrastructure, which is very important to attract specialists to regional areas. We don't want to go back to the old days where everyone's got to travel to Melbourne to have treatment or whatever. So we are keen to develop the concept of decentralisation of cancer services, which is one of my main interests in providing a clinical service to the region. I get great enjoyment and a lot of support from a lot of people to do that, and it's great to see the chemotherapy girls and staff here tonight. Having said that, the focus of what we do, you know, it's like farming. You can have a drought for a long time, and then all of a sudden something happens that makes you excited and you get a good crop one year. It's the same with research. Research takes a long time. It takes a lot of infrastructure. It takes a lot of time to develop the infrastructure to get the right people, the personnel, the equipment. And then it takes persistence, which is a facet that you all know about. You've got to be persistent in your life. And that's what you've got to do with research, and that's something that we've been able to develop in Ballarat. I have a great team of scientists. We're working on a number of interesting projects, some of them that are coming to fruition, and one in particular that I will just briefly mention, and where some of these funds will be going tonight, is the idea that we're going to be individualising chemotherapy and other biological agents for cancer patients, hopefully within the next 5 years. The sort of research we're doing in the Ballarat Cancer Research Centre is actually groundbreaking in that way, internationally and nationally, because we're one of the few laboratories in the world to set up technology to test the tumour samples when patients first present, and then look and see what drugs they're going to better respond to. This is completely different to what we've been used to for many years.
Somewhere up on going on way, where the people are so gay, twisting the night away. There they have a lot of fun, putting trouble on the run. Man, you find the old and young, twisting the night away. Oh, we're twisting, yeah, we're twisting. Everybody's doing great. Oh, twisting. Twisting, yeah, twisting the night away. don't know, but man, you ought to see him go, twisting the night away. He's dancing with the cricket slacks, and she's moving up and back. Oh man, like twisting the night away. Oh, we're twisting, yeah, get on your couch. Everybody's doing great. Oh, twisting, twisting, yeah, twisting the night away. Johnny Brand, play. Lean back. Man, you ought to see how go. Twisting to the rock and roll. Man, you're young and old. Twisting the night away. Twisting, yeah, twisting. Running away. Wandering away. Twisting, twisting, yeah, twisting the night away.